touch the sound of silence.
The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation stealth multi-role fighter jet developed by Lockheed Martin, featuring cutting-edge stealth technology, advanced sensors, and network warfare capabilities. It can reach speeds of up to Mach 1.6 and is equipped with advanced sensors, radar-evading design, and can conduct air-to-air, air-to-ground, and intelligence missions. It has a combat radius of over 600 miles and integrates with Allied forces via real-time data sharing. Despite its high cost, it's considered one of the most advanced jets ever built.